Good morning, class. Welcome to week 3. Last week we discussed goal setting and financial literacy and planning. You guys had some great goals and some great budgets. One thing that I suggest for you is to keep your academic goals somewhere close by or posted up where you can frequently see it, because this will remind you of the purpose that you're in school. This will help you and encourage you during the times that school may get tough, I know it's good for me to be able to see, why am I doing this? Oh yeah, that's right, because I want to make more money, or because I want to see this project through. So keep your goals somewhere close by. I saw great budgets. I just want to encourage you that you save money. Saving money is awesome, an awesome practice, especially for times of emergency. When you have a flat tire and you're like, I need 40 bucks to replace my tire. You have that emergency fund where you can tap into that, and you don't have to go into debt or go borrow money from a family member or anything. You have your own little stash. So it's always important to have a savings account. And so I encourage you, if you are not doing that, if it's not included in your budget, I encourage you to include it in your budget. So let's talk about week 3. Week 3, we're going to discuss study skills. Many of you have already talked about some of your study skills when you set your academic goals. We will dive deeper into study habits, time management, and test-taking skills. You have one discussion question and 2 assignments to complete this week. Let's get in early. Remember that your initial discussion post is due Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. and that will count at you present in class. Something else that's going to happen this week is I will be sending out midterm grades on Thursday. So if you're missing any assignments, have them submitted by Wednesday so that I can grade them, and it will improve your grade for the class. I also want to encourage you guys to be mindful of your grade in class. Having zeros do not help your grade at all. You want as many points as you can get. To pass this class, you need 700 points. If you have zeros, it's going to be hard for you to get there. So I offer the opportunity for you to submit your missing assignments up until the last day of class. So I want you guys to go in there and be proactive and get your work turned in so that you can pass the class. If you have any questions about this, give me a call, shoot me a text, or an email, okay? I want you guys to have a great week. Looking forward to chatting with you in the discussion board. Bye-bye.